If your vehicle's AC system doesn't perform as well as it used to, or if it has stopped blowing cold air altogether, then it's time to bring your vehicle in to your nearest Express Oil Change and Tire Engineers for an AC service. We believe that if you don't need it, then we won't suggest it. That's why our staff of certified technicians is committed to properly diagnosing AC issues with your vehicle so that there is no guesswork involved when it comes time to having it repaired. Our standard AC service includes checking the air temperature coming out of the vents, visually checking the air conditioning system componentry like hoses and seals for any signs of damage, collecting and measuring the volume of R134A refrigerant in the AC system, vacuuming the AC system to check for leaks, using dye and UV lights to pinpoint leak location, and lastly, recharging the AC system with new R134A. Come in today or schedule your appointment online at expressoil.com.